Hey guys, it's Kim here with Fairly Fiber Fun. Thanks for joining me today on an unboxing. Now this is a fiber swap with Sadie of Sadie Spincraft, and very, very sad to announce that I have not mailed my portion of the swap to her, but hers came in the mail today, and it's wrapped up in plastic because the post office found it was damaged, so they wrapped it up in plastic for me. I think that's pretty cool. Now I'm going to turn the camera down so you can see me open it. Let's see what Sadie got me. Happy mail. Okay. What'd she get me? What'd she send me? Something beautiful, I'm sure. I know it's backwards, but that says this is to open. Oh, look at this. I just got distracted. Holy cow. 100 grams hand-dyed merino roving. Look at that beauty. Oh, that's gorgeous. And here's the other one. It's got a little sheep stitch marker on it, or progress keeper. I told her when I saw these that I wanted one, and she said, I'll put it in your package. So she sends something like this with every single item. Here's a little spinning wheel, stitch marker. So cute. UK organic hand dyed. Ooh, now that's cool. I'm looking forward to this. That's very exciting. Ow. She has a beautiful shop on Etsy, and I will link to that. Sadie, you taped it too well. How do I get in here? Girl. There we go. Just ripped the package. Okay, you know what? I'm not even going to try to take it off. I'm just going to open this little tiny envelope. Goodness gracious, I don't even know if I can open this. What a fun little package. Oh, look. It says Merry Christmas. To Kim and family, hoping you have a fantastic time. All our love from Sadie, Chris, Georgia, Carrie or Kane, Krissa, Kimmy, and Hunter. And she said who's not at home and who is at home. Aw. Hope Christmas brings everything you're wishing for. That is a sweet little card. Okay, so this little note says, and I think this is more along the lines of what she would have in her packages that she mails out to people. Dear Kim, thank you so much for doing the fiber swap with me. I have really enjoyed your videos each week. I have enclosed 2 stitch markers I thought you might like, and a card. Many thanks for being my fiber friend. Love and hugs, Sadie. Aww. Sadie, you're awesome. Thank you, girl. I appreciate it. What a beautiful gift. Well, I know it's a swap, but still, it's a gift. Gorgeous dye jobs. Now I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do with these. Beautifully braided, by the way. What is your secret? Can you braid up, Miss Sadie, can you braid up one of these on camera for us one day? I'd like to see how you do that, because I have so much trouble getting mine neat like this. So pretty. I know it's just like a crochet chain. Do you use your fingers? Do you use a hook? Anyway, it's a nice semi-solid in purple. I believe these are Sadie's favorite colors. And this one is like a, looks like a gradient of a peachy pink from light to dark. This is the merino. Honestly, they don't, yeah, they do. I was gonna say they don't feel different, but they do. All right, so, and I have 2 new stitch markers. Sadie, you're awesome. I love you so much. And I have to go get yours out in the mail this week. I'm so sorry I haven't, but I will let you know as soon as it goes in the mail. And thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget about the notification bell on the off chance that you would like to see my videos. Not miss any of them. Whatever. And I really enjoy having you guys here with me for this exciting unboxing. Y'all have a fabulous day, week, holiday. Bye.